Yo you guys, what is up, Flex Fam? It's your boy here with another video in 2K19, and today I'm gonna opening a mystery box. Yes, the trend arrived me now. So, nevertheless, I bought a mystery box from Saru General, the man, and I'm very excited what's in here. I bought the Supreme Tea box for 100 quid, size small. I'm very excited, nevertheless. So, yeah, it's the chance box, so I can go high or low, higher than the price. I'm very excited. It's very small, so it's fragile. So I don't know what to expect. I guess here's one tea. Two would be very nice, but I hope I can get some rare teas that are not Screaming Supreme on it, you know, something that's maybe a bit older, and I guess it's used. All that Saru General is selling is used and not dead stock, so I'm excited for the condition. Let's go into the unboxing.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Don't forget to subscribe, boys, for new content and more content. So let's go to unboxing. So guys, it's time for the reveal of the box. I'm so excited, boys. I cannot wait. So here we have the box. We got the knife. Never mind, so let's go and open this bad boy. I hope my Cause X Uniqlo is giving me the luck. Okay, so Okay, I wanted to show it you, but there's just a bag in here. So 100 quid, and there's a note. One moment, where is it? Okay. Your chance mystery box was valued evenly to the price you paid. So I guess that's good. I mean, we're getting something for £100. Let's get it. It's one tea, I guess. Well, maybe two. And what is this? It's feeling kind of weird. Like, what is? Bro, like, what the fuck is this? Boys, it's a Supreme. What? Oh my gosh. I mean, it smells kind of disgusting, but not that bad. I mean, we got a Supreme wool shirt, I guess. It's very old, I guess. I mean, it smells old. And got an old embroidery right here. So, we got in here embroidered Supreme. I guess no more mystery boxes, guys. I mean, wow. That's kind of hard. Let's shoot some B-rolls and get the thing maybe style. I don't know what this is, man. This is... Maybe it looks good. Let's go. Boys, flexed out. Bro, I look like a fucking boulder or something like this. I mean, the color is kind of interesting. I mean, it's not my style, obviously. I mean, maybe I try to sell it for 40 bucks or something like that. I mean, look at it. I look like a fucking joke for the short sleeves and the material. It's wool, but it's very old and it's and it also smells very old. I mean, it isn't a tee. It's not a tee, so I expected a tee, not this shirt. I mean, I'm not happy with it, but what do we learn? Don't buy mystery boxes, fam. So I hope you liked the video. Now I got a new piece in my collection. I mean, don't buy mystery boxes, kids. And yes, so if you liked it and enjoyed the video, please leave a sub. And yeah, see you in the next video, I guess. I mean, I'm a bit pissed, but nothing I can do about it. So bye, fam. See you.